Hi guys, this particular review it's all about the film called Love from the Malayalam industry. When you hear the term called Love, you'd be feeling that this film would be with full of love angle, love song, etc. But this film is a crime thriller. What? Yes, it's all about a crime thriller. Just 1 hour 40 minutes to enjoy. You know, a couple in this present generation. It's all about full of all this extramarital effort, and a boy is committing a mistake, and a girl is questioning it out, and clash is happening, and hero just kills heroine, and in a situation where hero must hide this particular heroine in such a way where because it's a love marriage, and he is inviting his friends in his home. He must hide that in a situation where his friends is having a situation where even his friends are cheating their wife, etc. Inside the story there is lot of things in him, and you have to analyze and find a way to dispose the body, and he was in a way where to explain it out to his friend. The movie was going just like that in a way where at last he had to reveal to his friends that he had murdered his wife or a lover. So when a friend is telling that he would support, there is another friend telling that he would just escape from the situation. Lot of things involved in this particular movie, whether a friendship is really there in this particular dark situation, all these things. And in a such a way where this particular movie is going in a way where what would happen next, how we would just escape from this particular crime. And when this particular movie, when it is ending, you would see totally the irreverse process, because if you do a crime, you would be punished. Same way in relationship, if you are cheated, definitely you must be punished, right? In that way this particular movie is getting into a end, and it's just reverse it's happening. It's not the hero, it's just the heroine is killing the hero, and at last the movie ends in just that way. So it is just a message that this particular generation, if you are into a relationship, just be true enough, or else this is the end. 80% of the movie it was just like the hero is killing the heroine, and he was just feeling all these situations how to dispose, etc. But when you see the last 10% of the movie, the last end of the movie, you see that just heroine does all these things, and just like hero is just that's it, he is no more in this particular story. So in that way this particular movie is carved out. So if you wish, you can check this particular movie. In this world, if you have love, you need to have that trust. If not, then this is the end. Okay, so have a thought on it. Take care, have a nice day.